Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're finna make some quick and easy little fried rice. Before we get started, y'all, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you are.
Y'all, we got a lot of stuff up here. I haven't gone through everything to let y'all know what we got, but let's just get started with our chicken. So y'all already know in this family we do not use chicken breasts, we use chicken thighs. So that's what we finna do. We got 2 chicken thighs out of a pack of 5 because we got 3 chicken thighs out of a pack of 5 because it was just way too many. We don't need that much meat, and I'm also using a little bit of shrimp and some vegetables and rice, so we don't need that much. But if y'all want to go ahead and use the whole pack so y'all gonna have some leftovers, then go ahead and do that. So we just gonna start off with a little bit of garlic powder in our chicken thighs. Our chicken thighs are sliced up in like cubes. A little of that. Then we're gonna go on with some white pepper. This one of the seasonings that was expensive, and I was like, baby, we're gonna find some old recipes to use this white pepper for, and this one of them meals. Okay, so just a little bit of white pepper, a little sprinkle. All right. And we're gonna go in with a little bit of cornstarch. Not too much. A little bit of MSG. Y'all can go ahead and use some salt if you want to. I'm not going to. And I'm going in with a little bit of sesame seed oil, okay? And I'm basically going to use the same for my shrimp. Now we're just going to give this a mix. You don't need too much seasonings because all the soy sauce and all the other stuff that we're going to use has a lot of salt in it. So we don't want to use too much seasonings. Okay, y'all? So you're just going to get that a mix, and then we're just going to go ahead and set this aside. Now for our shrimp, same thing, okay? A little bit of garlic powder. And a little bit of cornstarch. Like I said, the same as the chicken. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit of oil to this hot cast iron. I don't have a wok, so we're going to use a cast iron, okay? It's just as good. So a little oil to it. We're going to add this chicken. And get it. Yeah, so we went ahead and let this cook for like 10 minutes. Now we're just gonna remove it. If you cook your shrimp, you can go ahead and start and add your shrimp in. After this, I gotta put my shrimp in another pan. Y'all know some people in my family are allergic, i.e. my husband. So yeah, we're not gonna put that in here next. So for the shrimp, y'all, we're just gonna add a little bit of butter. You can add oil if you want, whatever works. Now we're going to add our shrimp. These ain't going to cook long at all, y'all. Maybe just a few minutes. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to add some more oil to this. And I'm going to add some eggs. I don't know if I'm going to do 3 or 4. It just depends on how I be feeling. Yeah, wow. It looks like I don't know how to crack an egg around here. This is crazy. I'm going to go ahead and do 4. Alright, so we're going to move these eggs over to the side like this. Add our onions. And the white parts of our green onion. So we are going to let these onions saute down for about 1 to 2 minutes, but I am going to add my garlic. That's about 2 teaspoons. 2 or 3. Y'all know how I am with the garlic. I'm gonna saute this in for the last little minute I have with this onions cooking. So now I'm gonna add in my bean sprout. This is canned bean sprout. I usually like fresh, but I don't have none, so we're gonna add this. We also gonna let this saute down for like 1 to 2 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my little veggies I have. We're gonna make sure we saute this down as well. So now I'm gonna add my day-old rice, but I'm gonna break it up with my fingers. I'm gonna show y'all. Because you don't really want clumps in there. So I don't really want the water or the clumps. So I'm just gonna. I'm gonna add some more of this white pepper. I'm gonna add some soy sauce. Also gonna add some mushroom soy. And a little bit of oyster sauce. Y'all just want to mix this up real good. Once this is mixed, y'all, this is done. You can add your shrimp back in, but I'm not adding mine. Y'all already know why. Alright, so we're going to add this chicken back in. We're just going to add a little green onion, y'all, and this is done. A few sesame seeds. Alright, y'all, this is how it came out. I always add me a little bit more soy sauce because that's just how I like my fried rice. But if y'all want to know the kind of rice I use, I will just go ahead and post a picture right here for y'all and let y'all know. This is the kind that I use, and you can also use jasmine rice. But don't forget, y'all, the grocery list is in the description below anyway, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.